In this review, I'm going to be reviewing the OcuSoft Lid Cleaner. I'm someone who actually suffers with blepharitis, which means that the oil in my eyes get blocked, so my eyes become very sore, very tired, very dry, very fast. But I need to say, since using these, it's absolutely changed everything. Whenever I used to go to the optician, they used to prescribe me all of these eye drops or eye lubricant things, and it used to burn my eyes, or the eye drops just didn't really do a great job, because for like 30 seconds, a minute, I'll get a little bit of relief, if that, and then they'll just go back to normal and I'll be in a lot of pain again. Since using these, it's really changed a lot for me, and I'm absolutely gobsmacked that opticians and doctors don't even know of this brand, don't even know about these, okay? So I'm not actually going to open an actual pack because they're not the cheapest, so every single one counts. But you get little containers like this and you rip them open. And I've got a little tissue just to demonstrate. Now, what's really cool about these, they've actually got little indents all along the actual piece of tissue, or the actual piece of the scrub, okay? And the reason that's important is because all of that dry gunk around your eyes, it actually falls into those little holes and you don't even feel it. It just happens. So you're not re-rubbing it into your eye or anything on those lines. Really amazing stuff. Okay, so the way it works is you would get one of the little wrap, and with your finger you would wrap it around just like that. So now you've created kind of like a little wrap around your finger, and then if we just pretend this is the eye, just on your eyelid you'll just go backwards and forwards, okay, just softly. It doesn't need to be hard, and you just get in there, and that at the same time is actually moisturizing your eyes. Now if you look online, a lot of people are saying that you should wash the liquid after you've used it on your eye, basically removing that protective layer that this puts on. I'm going to disagree with that wholeheartedly. Even the pack, it says keep that on. So after you've used this, do not rub your eyes, do not use a wet wipe to clean all of the liquid off your eyes. Keep it on, because it's actually moisturizing and keeping your eyes well lubricant. Okay, absolutely amazing. It's game-changing stuff. You're meant to use one once in the morning and once at night, just when you wake up and just when you go to bed. Personally, I just use it when my eyes need it, but what I will recommend for the first month, just do it twice a day, and if you need to do it 3 times a day, then by all means. And then after that, you know, it's not guaranteed, but hopefully your eyes will feel a bit better, and then just use it when you need it. I'm actually using it around about once a day now, and there was a period of time where I just didn't need to use it at all. My eyes were just really good health, but I think because of the weather conditions, my eyes have changed again. You know, the joys of having bad eye health. But either way, absolutely insane. Definitely recommend this. Trust me, this is amazing stuff.